When people talk about our generation, you nod, but something inside you doesn't quite click. You were born in the right years. You grew up with the same trends, same music, same technology, and yet, you feel slightly misplaced. Like everyone else got a handbook. You somehow missed. Here's something most people don't realize. Belonging to a generation isn't just about birth year. It's about emotional timing. If you had to grow up faster than your peers, you probably relate more to people older than you. If you were sheltered longer, you might feel behind. If your childhood didn't match the cultural story, you feel out of sync with the nostalgia. It's not that you're broken. It's that your personal timeline didn't match the collective one. And when your inner age doesn't match your actual age, you feel like a guest in your own generation. But maybe you're not misplaced. Maybe you just matured on a different clock. And that doesn't make you wrong. It makes you rare. If this felt personal, subscribe.